Cosmic Wanderer, this is Mission Control. Your descent suit is online. Today you're going all the way down into Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, far beyond Saturn and Jupiter. With today's rockets, a trip from Earth out here would take many years, close to a decade of travel through deep space. The planet has at least 27 known moons orbiting it, like a small frozen system of its own. As you approach, you see the planet's faint rings around that pale blue world. When you pass through them, you won't really see the ring particles themselves. They're too small and too dark. From out here, Uranus doesn't just look strange. It is. The whole planet is tilted almost on its side, rolling around the Sun instead of spinning upright. One day here is about 17 Earth hours, but 1 year is 84 Earth years. It's about 4 times wider than Earth and much more massive, a huge sideways spinning ice giant right in front of you. Out here, the Sun is just a bright star. Uranus orbits about 19 times farther from the Sun than Earth, so sunlight is almost 400 times weaker. A sunlit day on Uranus is still dimmer than sunset on Earth. You take one last look at space behind you, and then you drop in. First, you fall through the upper atmosphere. Clouds of hydrogen, helium, and frozen methane. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, around minus 224 degrees Celsius, or minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit. Deeper down, there are multiple layers of clouds stacked on top of each other. You hear thunder, not above you, but somewhere far below. At about 25 times Earth's air pressure, your suit reports temperatures similar to those on Earth. Here, in this narrow layer, we find something surprising. Water clouds. The winds are brutal. Uranus can reach speeds of about 900 kilometers per hour. You're being pushed and pulled by a planet-wide jet stream. Eventually, the atmosphere turns into something more like a deep, dense ocean. You've reached the mantle, hot, heavy fluid made of water, methane, and ammonia. This strange ice ocean makes up most of the planet. That's why we call Uranus an ice giant. Far below, the pressure becomes extreme. Here, carbon is squeezed so hard it crystallizes into diamonds. After what would feel like weeks of falling, your journey ends at the rocky core of Uranus. Crushed under unimaginable pressure, this is the hidden center of the ice giant. Mission control to Cosmic Wanderer. You've reached the bottom of Uranus.